प्रेरणा,
Yeah.
are you okay?
Yeah, man. I was wondering, ये wall कितनी empty है ना? काफी boring है.
ये तो है. What were you planning?
Yeah, I was wondering, इस साल हमने travel भी नहीं किया और सारी बातें family से video call पे ही हुई. So why don't we turn this into a gallery wall?
I love it. वैसे भी every home needs a gallery wall. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
चलो. Neeti, yeah, ever since lockdown, don't you feel that all we are doing is spending every day in the kitchen only? Huh?
Yeah, man. Either we are cooking or cleaning the dishes. मतलब it's like a vicious circle. खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
Bro, I was wondering if you're spending so much time here, shouldn't we give this a bit of a decor makeover? What say?
Makeover? मतलब
Neeti and Rashmi's kitchen, handicrafted with love. Got it?
handicrafted. क्या
Come.
करने वाले?
I'll come now. I'll show you. Prerna?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I thought we were gonna eat together.
But ये plain walls ये सब देख के मुझे नहीं खाना. I'd rather eat in my room watching Schitt's Creek.
Let's spruce it up a bit then. What's it?
With these walls, how?
I'll tell you how. Come. Hips heavy, right?
Yeah. No, I didn't know you had so many books.
ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. मम्मा ने सिर्फ पहला बॉक्स भेजा है अभी. The next box will come in a week or so. But yeah, I was wondering, where will I keep all of my books?
एक काम करते हैं. हमारे घर में reading space नहीं है ना? Let's create one.
That would be wonderful. But how?
I have an idea. चल.
Please watch more of our videos and subscribe to our channel.